If your garage feels like an oven in the summer and a freezer in the winter, you're probably losing a lot of energy through that garage door. I tested 5 popular garage door insulation kits to see which ones actually make a difference. Some were surprisingly effective, while others stood out for ease of installation. Here's what I found after putting them to work in real-world conditions. Product number 1, Reflectix BP24025 Bubble Pack Insulation. I unrolled the Reflectix insulation for the first time. I immediately noticed how lightweight and flexible it felt. Even though it's easy to handle, it doesn't feel flimsy. The multiple layers give it a durable feel that inspired confidence before installation even started. During testing, I used it on garage door panels and other areas where heat transfer was a problem. The reflective aluminum layers did a great job bouncing heat away, especially on sunny afternoons when the garage usually becomes uncomfortable. I also liked how easy it was to cut and fit around different panel sizes. The bubble cord construction added another layer of insulation without adding much weight to the door. Since it's fiber-free, there was no mess during installation, which I appreciated. Everything stayed clean and simple. My favorite part was the versatility. It works on garage doors, but it can also be used in attics, crawl spaces, and walls. If you want a flexible insulation material that can handle multiple projects around the house, this is a smart option. For buyers looking for a complete garage door-specific package, the next product may be a better fit.
Product number 2, 16-piece garage door insulation kit. I opened this kit. I liked that everything was already sized for garage door use. The package included 16 reflective panels, along with plenty of adhesive pieces, so I didn't have to make a separate trip to the hardware store. Installation was straightforward. After cleaning the door panels, I cut a few sections to fit and attached them using the included adhesive tabs. The lightweight material made the process much easier than I expected. Once installed, I noticed the garage stayed noticeably more comfortable during both hot afternoons and cooler evenings. The double bubble construction helped reduce heat transfer, while the reflective surface bounced sunlight away from the door. I also liked that the material resisted tearing and could be folded or stored easily if needed. The waterproof design was another nice bonus. My favorite part was how complete the package felt. Everything needed for the job was already included. If you're looking for an affordable, garage door-focused insulation kit with simple installation, this one offers excellent value. The next product takes a different approach by focusing on sealing the garage itself.
Product number 3, Jinbao Universal Garage Door Threshold Seal Strip. When I picked up the Jinbao Threshold Seal, it immediately felt thick and durable. Unlike insulation panels that focus on temperature control, this product addresses one of the biggest garage problems: gaps under the door. During testing, I installed it along the garage floor, where water and dust typically sneak inside. After installation, the difference was obvious. Rainwater stayed outside, and I noticed far less dirt blowing into the garage during windy days. The bright yellow strip also made it easier to see when driving in. The rubber material handled changing temperatures without becoming brittle, and the anti-slip ridges added some extra traction. I also appreciated how easy it was to trim the strip to the exact length needed. My favorite part was how much cleaner the garage stayed after installation. Sometimes the simplest upgrades deliver the biggest results. If your garage suffers from water intrusion, dust buildup, or drafts under the door, this seal strip is a worthwhile addition. However, for homeowners focused primarily on thermal insulation, the next kit offers a more traditional solution.
Product number 4, Owens Corning Garage Door Insulation Kit. When I unpacked the Owens Corning kit, it felt more substantial than many reflective insulation products I've used. The panels had a solid structure while still remaining flexible enough to work with during installation. The installation process was straightforward and only required common household tools. Once fitted into the garage door sections, the panels immediately gave the door a more finished appearance. Over the following days, I noticed the garage maintained a more stable temperature, especially during extreme weather. One benefit I wasn't expecting was the reduction in noise. Opening and closing the garage door sounded quieter, and outside noise seemed slightly reduced as well. The material also resisted dents and damage better than I anticipated, which should help it hold up over time. The cleanable surface was another practical touch, because garages tend to collect dust and dirt. If you want a trusted insulation kit that improves both comfort and noise levels, this one is a strong contender. The final product on today's list aims for maximum thermal performance.
Product number 5, NASA Tech White Reflective Foam Core Garage Door Insulation Kit.
When I opened the NASA Tech Kit, I immediately noticed how complete the package was. It included insulation rolls, tape, a razor, a squeegee, and detailed instructions, making the installation process feel less intimidating. During installation, the foam core material felt thicker and more substantial than standard reflective bubble insulation. Once attached to the garage door, it created a clean, finished appearance while adding a noticeable barrier against heat transfer. After several days of testing, I found the garage stayed more comfortable during hot afternoons and retained warmth better during cooler nights. I also appreciated the waterproof and weatherproof construction. Everything felt durable enough to handle long-term use in a demanding garage environment. The added sound deadening effect was another welcome benefit. My favorite part was the combination of insulation, radiant barrier performance, and moisture resistance all in one package. If you're looking for a premium garage door insulation solution with strong thermal performance and a complete installation kit, this is one of the best options available.
Those are my picks for the best garage door insulation kits available right now. Whether you're trying to reduce heat, block drafts, keep out water, or make your garage more comfortable year-round, there's a solution here for you. Check the links in the description for current prices and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.